Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Lawson. We're doing another spotlight for you guys. Now, this is a little bit different. This is the Nine Line truck. So last time when Nine Line brought their truck up, it was for our previous giveaway, and we ended up hooking them up with a wrap, wheels, tires, suspension, the whole 9 yards for their truck. Now this time, for version 2 for their truck, we're actually doing bumpers, we're doing some steering stabilizers, we're doing a couple other things, as well as pulling this wrap off and putting a whole new wrap on this truck for the new giveaway. So let's start pulling this wrap off and installing the new parts. Alright guys, so now that we got the wrap tore off of the Nine Line truck, we're actually going to take this thing down to Sticker Dude right outside of Chicago. We designed a custom wrap for this truck and it looks so sick. I cannot wait to take this thing down there and see what it looks like when we get this wrap on. Damn. Oh my God. That's sick. They like blended perfectly. Through the hood and everything is nuts. That flag blended in. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. Sticker Dude and the crew absolutely killed this wrap. Fully custom designed, everything blended super well. Super excited with the outcome. I'm going to take it back to the shop, show the whole company, show everyone, and then we got some bumpers and tailgate and some other things to slap on this thing and then get it back to Nine Line. And I definitely can't wait to see Nine Line's reactions. Let's head back to the shop. We're going to be unboxing some stuff from Recon. So Recon sent us some headlights, some taillights, and a third brake light for Nine Line's F-250. Look at those. So these are going to be the taillights for the F-250. So as you can see, super nice, detailed, just overall a quality product. Like I said on the back, if you look, completely plug and play. So super easy to install. Just pull that out and voila. Like I said, there's your plug and play. Plug that right in back, super easy to install. And that's a black LED third brake light. All right, now time for the big box, which I'm sure you guys could already guess is gonna be the headlights. Now that is beautiful. So this is gonna be the headlight for the F-250. Same thing, plug and play, super easy to install. Now next up, we are gonna get these put onto the F-250.
Lawson, We finally have bumpers for the 9 Line truck.
Sick.
These are really sweet. Road Armor did an awesome job.
Yeah, what do we got here?
So we've got front and rear. These are their Stealth Edition bumpers. Obviously they're already opened up, so if you want to see the unboxing and get a little bit more detail on the bumpers, go to our garage channel and you're going to want to look for the unboxing on that. But now we just have to get these bad boys on, and they're like 300 pounds a piece, so I'm not doing that by myself.
And then this thing's done.
And then it's done. Because what happens is I find more stuff that I want to do, but they're coming to get it in like 2 weeks, so I don't have a whole lot of time.
Yeah.
But we'll see what I can mess with.
All right, what's going on, guys? So Zach is actually in town now. He just flew up from Georgia. We got the finished truck behind the curtain. We're gonna go up front, grab him, and show him his finished truck so he can drive all the way back to Georgia.
Oh, Lawson, what's going on, man?
Brother?
Your truck came out awesome.
Your truck came out awesome.
I don't get to keep it, though.
Thank you.
I need to come drop mine off to you guys.
Yeah. It was something. It was a big project, and it was nice to see it come to life. But you ready to see this thing or what?
Yes, I'm ready to do it.
Alrighty, so what are you thinking?
Well,
Yeah,
I've seen like a teaser of like the corner of the wrap, and that's it. So I know what the headlights look like. I've seen the corner of the bumper, and I know that the wrap is black based.
Yep.
But other than that, my feeling, my gut when I saw it looked like some sort of a distressed flag.
Yeah.
So I have no idea. Not like last time. Last time the wrap was done when we brought it up.
Yeah.
So
yeah, that is true. Last time that we built it, you kind of already had overall thought of what it was going to look like.
Yes.
So. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1, pull the curtain.
Dude, holy shit. Dude, that is bad ass. Dude, that's a totally different truck.
Yeah, it's pretty insane. So obviously we got the custom one-off designed wrap that Junior was able to design with the CO logo, the 9 Line logo, the Anthem logo, obviously with all like the brown and grunge and everything.
Yeah.
It's got the flag up on the hood, which is super sick. And then if you actually look up close, it actually has your logo on the hood as well. And it's got a bunch of little Army guys right here on the hood as well.
Oh, dude, that's awesome.
So that is super cool. And then obviously Road Armor bumper. We have the light bar up front. We got the cubes. Really mean front end for you.
Yeah.
Obviously stuck with the BDS suspension, but now we do have the Anthem wheels. Anthem's brand new wheel. Then we also have the Toyo Open Country RTs as well. We got the Road Armor rear bumper. You have some capabilities of cubes in the rear bumper as well, but a solid start. We also have the Recon taillights. You saw the Recon headlights up front. And then we got the Wilco tailgate. Now the first rendition of your truck, you guys went with the...
Oh, wait, we didn't go with it. The original tailgate had been crushed by a 50.
Yeah, okay, so
yeah.
So the tailgate was crushed, and then you went with like the Safari off-road mesh.
It wasn't. It was an air gate, like it was 1987.
Yeah.
Like yeah.
And now you have this wild contraption. So
This will actually lay both ways too, so it'll lay the straight
Yeah.
tire facing out or in, depending on how you want it. It's just
Oh,
pretty
we get the
awesome.
full-size spare on there. That's
Yeah.
really awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, since we heard that you put a full-size spare on the roof, it was
Yep.
such a big setup that it was caving your roof in.
Yeah, it ended up collapsing.
Yeah. So
really tough.
we figured that we should probably put something on something a little more heavy duty like this Wilco tailgate. So that thing's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
It's pretty solid. So
Yeah, Recon hooked up with the headlights, the taillights, as you know, the third brake light. We went through and refreshed the lift kit, kind of replaced some wear parts, so courtesy of BDS on that one.
Yep.
We see road armor with the bumpers, black label lighting on the light bar. So
and here's the man that built it for you.
How was the suspension?
It actually is not that bad.
Really?
Yeah. Touched up some stuff, tightened up some stuff.
yeah,
And the track bar, the collar on that was just like
Yeah, the collar's just
spinning
super
everywhere.
loose. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's all tight. Been driving it, the steering wheel staying
That
straight.
was with the local shop.
I saw the old grill didn't wear so well in the Georgia Jeep. And I just happened to have had your stock grill yet. Really? For when we did last time. That is your original grill. I had it in a box.
I forgot
so I was
about
like,
that.
We're gonna put this back on because it looks good, and then wrap
It does
and
look
everything
good,
back.
yeah.
And then I
Are y'all
took the,
hoarders? Like, why do you still have that? It was 2 years ago.
I'm a farmer and I just keep stuff.
for situations
You
like
never
this, we hang
know.
on to
Yeah,
it.
exactly. I know you guys would use it, so she's sturdy. And it's
Well, I already had a conversation that like they don't need to use it. Like, just let it be pretty.
sure.
I don't know. BDS is still convinced there's a video of you jumping your truck someplace.
Why do they think we?
I don't know. But they think somewhere it's out there. He literally said, just to be clear, we're not mad. I just want the footage. I was like, all right, let's do it. No, it looks so good. Do you know how hard it was to keep this thing under wraps? Because I just wanted to share it because it looked
Every
so
now and then
good.
I would catch it in the back of like one of Lawson's like photos.
been here
or something.
so long,
but
yeah.
it's like shot in portrait mode, so like the
it's
background's
all
like out of
broken out,
focus.
yeah.
I'm like, oh come on.
All right, guys, thank you so much for sticking around for this build series. It was a blast. It's always a blast working with Zac and Nine Line. So thank you for all the giveaway t-shirt purchases. Went to a fantastic foundation. So that was super cool. And one lucky winner won a full build giveaway. But yeah, overall, glad to see that you love the truck. And another build series in the books. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Definitely go check out Nine Line. We'll leave their information down in the description. And yeah,
Now we're gonna drive 17 hours home.
you have fun with that.
Yeah.
All right, later.